everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I am going to be taking you to Malad West, one of the tallest tower. Yes, I am talking about Runwal Oris Sunrise Residences by Runwal Realty, located in Malad West. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and also the neighborhood from outside as well. So guys, as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here are the actual tower, tower 1, 2 and 3. Have a look at the towers. And the best part about this particular project is that we have a Jain Dirasar right inside the vicinity. As you can see, right behind me is the Jain Dirasar.
In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before moving ahead, let me introduce you to Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 8 acres consisting 4 towers with tallest story being ground plus 68 story with configuration of 3 and 4 BHK, and we also have Jodi option available.
Talking about the connectivity of this project is located off Link Road, right opposite to Landmark Towers, with Mid-Chowki metro station at a distance of just 1 minute, highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, upcoming coastal road at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, malls, all within a radius of just 1 kilometer.
Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities, which includes a big swimming pool, kids play area, gym, open lawn and many more. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their actual and basic rights. For example, if you have paid a token amount and book a house from builder, but now you want to cancel off because you've changed your mind. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Also, let's say after possession you have some leakage or construction related issue. So what liability does the builder hold? A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their actual rights. So we have made you understand all this in very simple and basic and easy to understand language. So next time when you plan to buy a home, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, as I mentioned, this project has 2 configuration, 3 and 4 BHK, with 3 BHK ranging from 1400 square feet to 1700 square feet and 4 BHK having carpet area of 2061 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, and will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for all the configuration is going to be 10% of the agreement value.
So everyone, this was the project overview of Runwal Oris Sunrise Residences by Runwal Realty, located in Malad West. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.